Welcome to Agent Ignite. Today we're diving into the world of unique property types.
This module will equip you with the knowledge and skills to specialize in niche marketing and stand out from the competition.
We'll start by discussing different types of unique properties such as luxury homes, historic properties, and investment properties.
Next, we'll cover marketing strategies for unique properties, including high-quality photography, targeted advertising, and leveraging social media.
We'll also explore the challenges and opportunities associated with selling unique properties and how to overcome them.
And of course, we'll provide guidance on pricing and negotiating unique properties.
Ready to become an expert in unique property types? Join Agent Ignite today at techforre.com. See you there.